Hello everyone. So if you're getting this Travis Rilea error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that connection failed error Travis Rilea on your Black Ops 7 easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go on to your C drive, you're going to go into users, you're going to go into your username here, and then you're going to go into documents. Here you should have Call of Duty deleted from here. And after that, you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here app data. Go into local. Delete the folder called Activision here. Go back once. Go into roaming and delete the full Activision if you have it here as well. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that you will not get that connection failed error Travis Rilea anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.